Busy lang po dito sa kusina. Ayan, magpiprito ako ng, gagawa ako ng pork adobo. So, samahan nyo lang ako, dyan lang po kayo. Okay?
Does anybody else have any questions? I mean, as I said, I don't know what's causing that, but that's what the issue is, and that's how to get around it. Right, so somebody somewhere may have said that accidentally when they did it as a email. And they exactly use the other, there's no way the system...
Pasensya na at magulo po. Hi! Hi! Kung sino man po yung nandyan, hindi ko makita kasi ginagamit ko is, saglit lang ha, kunin ko yung laptop ko para makapag-comment ako paminsan-minsan.
That's what it is, that's what the error is, that's where you get wrong.
Kasi phone ko lang po aking ginagamit.
When someone's plugging it in,
Thank you so much for coming, for dropping by.
there's no way the system will change that unless somebody's changed it. Unless somebody selects it, it's not going to change it. Yeah, keep an eye on that. What's the second problem you've got? Right.
Okay, kung sino man po yung nandyan na nanonood, welcome to Tita Ching's Kitchen. Welcome. Baka hindi ako matapos dito sa pagluluto
Right, okay. Couple of questions. Was it happening only yesterday? And did you have any global protect issues? Global protect or the iShare problem as well?
Okay. Tita Ching, okay. Ay, bakit kaya siya nag-ano?
Am I okay to close this down? Okay. The reason being is...
Magpiprito lang po tayo. We need my laptop is frozen.
If you can open up the business directory, you get an error, then it's a global protect issue. I mean, what can you do? Clear up some of your cache files now. So you cover all that. You clear out all your cache files. Yeah.
Saan ko ba ilalagay ito?
Okay, and then
Oh, hi! Hi, Roel! Hi, good morning, Roel. I'm busy in my kitchen, so I thought I will just do some live streaming while cooking because tomorrow is my husband's birthday, so I will just cook adobo and then I can just freeze it and warm it tomorrow. It's difficult if you are on your own because you'll do everything. Hold on, where is my...
Right.
I'm just trying to work it out where to put my laptop so that I can monitor you. There we go. Okay. Yes, I'm cooking.
I'm finishing it when 1 p.m. today.